the world's smallest mammal? Which animal can regrow its entire body from just a small fragment? Which bird is capable of flying backward? What is the slowest moving mammal in the world? What is the primary diet of a giant panda? Which animal has a range of 270-degree vision without moving its eyes? What is the largest species of shark? Which animal is known for its complex communication system, including clicks and whistles? What is the only mammal capable of sustained flight? Which animal can jump up to 10 times its body length in a single leap? Which animal has the most advanced language system among non-human creatures? What is the world's largest land mammal? What is the world's smallest primate? Which animal has a gestation period of about 22 months, the longest of any mammal? What is the fastest land mammal? Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.